Hey everyone, it's Mira, your favorite mini eco-hero, reporting live from the Sunshiny Park. Look at this place. It's so green and peaceful and... Wait a sec. Ugh, seriously? Someone left trash right next to the bench. Okay, we are not letting this ruin the vibe. Nope. Time to turn this vlog into a cleanup mission. Let's go. Oh, haha. Hello there, Captain Whiskers. You just crashed my live stream, and I'm totally okay with that. Captain Whiskers, you've got the moves. You're a little ninja with fur. Okay, now you're just showing off. Okay, Operation Cleanup begins now. Let's get those wrappers, Captain Whiskers. You take the left, I'll grab the shiny one. Hey, wait up! We gotta recycle together, remember? Good job, buddy. Teamwork makes the park work. Thanks for hanging out with me today, eco friends. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for my next cleanup mission. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and pick up your trash.
Miniatures Planet.